ElectricalOM software is a powerful electrical design and calculation software in accordance with BS 7671. Using the software, the electrical engineer can design electrical installations quickly and easily through an interactive CAD-based user interface. Calculations and checks are performed automatically with detailed error messages. With ElectricalOM, you can model projects of all sizes, from small domestic installations to large industrial projects that incorporate a large amount of distribution boards and final circuits. The software has many innovating features. Here we will present some of them. During designing, the distribution boards are automatically laid out for maximum productivity. The user can modify the position and orientation of each distribution circuit by moving it or applying rotations. The multi-page schematic environment enables the engineer to organize and print the electrical network in several pages for more flexibility and productiveness. The user is able to add symbols in any part of the network by dragging and dropping a symbol to a circuit. Also, the user can create his or her own symbols through the CAD-based symbol editor. The drawing mode enables the user to draw CAD entities such as polylines, rectangles, circles, and other figures in each page. Object snap, orthomode, and other CAD-based functions are also supported during drawing. ElectricalOM is developed using modular software development principles, allowing add-on modules to be used, extending the features of the software on demand. For example, with the Plan Design add-on, the user can create electrical plan design drawings and collect through them information for the circuit calculations such as cable lengths and installation points per circuit. Each module tab in ElectricalOM can be arranged in a different screen, allowing direct access to a large amount of information during modeling. A project begins by adding the main supply. From the main supply, you can add the main distribution circuit by adding a distribution board or a switchboard. Switchboards allow you to connect more than one supply into the network, such as a backup generator. Also using switchboards, you can model complex network arrangements such as switchboard coupling. Each distribution board can have a number of circuit ways. It can be modeled as horizontal DIN rail or vertical solid busbar with several setting arrangements. Distribution boards can be split through distribution board extensions and through them protect circuits in a group. In ElectricalOM, each electrical element of the active supply appears in the tree view on the left side, allowing quick access and modifications. To add final circuits, simply double-click on a way or use the context menu strip. To edit an element, simply double-click on the tree view node or on the schematic symbol. In the circuit editor, you can specify all the details of the circuit, such as the phase and neutral conductor, the protective conductor, the protective devices, the correction factors, the voltage drop settings, and other settings specific to the type of the circuit. For example, for a motor circuit, you can specify more details, such as the motor's efficiency and starting current. All the parameters and options, such as cable installation method selections, correction factor settings, voltage drop and disconnection time limits are taken from the BS7671. Also, technical data such as protective devices and busbar tracking systems are taken from the manufacturers. Manufacturers' data are continuously updated and maintained. In ElectricalOM, all the calculations are performed automatically after a change through its interactive user interface, allowing the engineer to know exactly what is affected in the project whenever something is modified. ElectricalOM makes sure that all the selected parameters satisfy the requirements of BS7671. In case of an error, ElectricalOM produces detailed messages based on the type of the error with specific indications to help the engineer identify and solve the problem. Some of the checks that the software performs are short circuit and earth fault adiabatic checks, protected devices breaking capacity checks, minimum operation time of the protective devices, maximum earth fault loop impedance checks, touch voltage limit checks, voltage drop limit checks, time current and energy-based discrimination checks, and many more. Discrimination studies are also performed automatically at any part of the network. Through the discrimination study interface, the user can change protective devices and solve discrimination errors by modifying the device's settings. ElectricalOM also allows multiple changes in the circuits. Using this, you can easily modify multiple circuit properties with a single click. Another great feature is the operation scenarios, where the user can create and examine several scenarios of the operation of the installation by saving the on-off state of the circuit. With ElectricalOM, you can print result reports and schematic diagrams easily by selecting the type of report to print. There are several types of reports, such as the supply report, circuit schedule report, brief calculations report, analytical calculations report, voltage drop calculations report, power factor report, and bill of quantities report. All reports can be exported in PDF format and schematic in DWG or DXF for further editing in CAD software. You can try ElectricalOM by downloading it through our website at electricalom.com.